excited for this shoot. My makeup is done, my hair is remaining, so I'll see you guys soon. Sorry.
No, let's do that. You can say that. I'm going to keep it like this in the vlog. Okay.
यार आदित्य, वो मुंबई वाला एंड दिल्ली ट्रिप के बाद है ना,
हाँ
ऐसा लगता है इतना सारा व्लॉगर्स को सब मिलके मेरे अंदर भी वो व्लॉगिंग का भूत सवार हो गया, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. You know, I met so many of them and it looks like, I mean, very young guys. I met somebody who was like probably still in his primary school. You know, वो व्लॉगिंग कर रहा है उनके माँ के साथ, फूड व्लॉगिंग कर रहा है. And the spirit was amazing. तो मुझे भी लग रहा था कि यार इतने लोग कर सकता है तो मुझे भी. I met MSK, Vishakha, this guy, Bhuka Sand. I mean, the kind of following he has is amazing. Amitabh Dayal, Karan, I keep saying Karan all the time. Kunal Malhotra. सबको मिला और ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई एम द ओनली गाय हु इज नॉट व्लॉगिंग. अरे यार कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बट लेट्स सी हाउ. तो मैं सोचा आके बैठूं, थोड़ा कुछ करके देखूं, एंड उठाया. सब लोग कर रहा है, सब लोग मोबाइल फोन लेके व्लॉगिंग कर रहा है, एंड वन गिम्बल एंड वन मोबाइल फोन. In fact, I was talking about that throughout the session. I mean, I got to speak in 4 different sessions, and I was saying that anybody who's got a smartphone and 100 rupee worth data can speak to the world. और मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ट्राई करते हैं, लेट्स सी. तो मैं आया, स्टूडियो में बैठा, और ये नया MX2 है, Moza Mini MX2, वो लेके मैं सोचा कुछ करता हूँ. है ना आदित्य, क्या बोल रहा है? हाँ?
सही है सर.
सही है. और मेरा हिंदी सही है क्या?
सब कुछ सही है.
मुझे लग रहा है इसके बाद लोग बोलेंगे यार यू प्लीज कंटिन्यू स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली, एंड हिंदी आपका बस का बात नहीं है. ट्राई करते हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई विल व्लॉग इन हिंदी, बट आई वांट टू ट्राई एंड डू समथिंग दिस टाइम. एनीवे, तो आदित्य, हम लोग कल जो शूट होने वाला है ना, वो कैटलॉग वाला शूट,
हाँ
उसके बारे में व्लॉग करते हैं क्या?
सही है, चलेगा.
ठीक है, चलो. तो लेट्स डू दैट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस फोन फ्रॉम व्लॉगिंग. इतने लोग कर रहे हैं तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? लेट्स ट्राई. ओके, सो वेलकम बैक टू पिक्सल विलेज, एंड आई एम राधा कृष्णन. ओके, सो लाइक आई सेड, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग टू डू अ स्मॉल व्लॉग this time, which is slightly different. Let me try. I've not done it before. Let me try it this time. But before that, let me वो हथियार आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. मैंने पहले ये बॉक्स वगैरह दिखाया था, बेसिकली कुछ बताया था इसके बारे में, बट इस बार ये हथियार के बारे में पूरा. ये भी वो व्लॉग के टाइम पे मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि some smart kids call it हथियार. हमारा हथियार देखो वगैरह वगैरह, you know. So this is the all new Moza Mini MX2, and this is of course the upgrade of the Moza Mini MX, and this to me, अभी तक जितने gimbals आए हैं, you see all gimbals have what, 3 movements. Some has only 1 and some has only 2, especially for mobile phones, but this has all three full movements, like the pan, tilt and the roll. And plus an additional feature, probably the first time or probably the only mobile gimbal that has an auto balancing mechanism. So let's see that to start with. Okay, so then I'll explain quickly what this gimbal is all about, and I'll tell you exactly what we're going to do tomorrow. Okay, so well, okay, it's very light to begin with. It's a light gimbal, about 400 plus grams, can carry up to 280 grams of payload. They call it payload. So any phones, any good size phones will go on this. And the most interesting thing is, take a look at this. You saw what was happening, right? Long press the on-off button. It balances, no natak, no, shivering and stuff some gimbals do. The grip automatically opens up, and see what happens to it. The moment I put my phone on it, it automatically closes it and also balances the phone. So when you place the phone on the cradle, okay, make sure that you kind of, visually kind of balance the phone, and that's all that you need to do. Phone का वो जो grip है वो अपने आप close हो जाता है, and it closes very well. Of course, remember to remove, if you're using any bumper cases, remember to remove it, and also clean the front and the back lenses. और suppose आप shoot कर रहे हैं, आपको थोड़ा left right और balancing करना है, इसको मजा नहीं आया, तो आपको ये प्लस साइन को प्रेस करके ये ट्रिगर प्रेस करना है, एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि फोन को ऐसे छोड़ नहीं देंगे, वो एक एंगल में आके वो ग्रिप ओपन करते हैं. यू कैन टेक इट आउट, पुट इट बैक एंड होल्ड्स इट and you're back in position. और इसका जो फंक्शनैलिटी है थ्रू Moza Genie ऐप, वेल वो ऐप के बारे में हम लोग Moza Mini MX के वीडियो में डिटेल में बताया है. So I'll add a link in the description आपको, और टाइम स्टैम्प भी डाल दूंगा, तो आप जाके वो डिटेल में आप देख सकते हैं. It's exactly the same. And I'm going to be using an old phone, a 7 Plus, an iPhone 7 Plus. This has about 4K and 30p, but I'm going to use 25p because let's see, I would have loved to shoot the 60p so that gimbal movements would have थोड़ा और अच्छा स्मूथ जाता था, but मैं करके देखना चाहता हूँ 25 में क्या होता है. So 25p में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ. That's the only PAL mode that is available in this phone. 30 is not PAL. I think it is probably some other system. I have activated the grid and I'm actually ready to shoot. And before I start, let me tell you, it's got a 2000 mAh lithium ion battery. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge fully. There's a battery indicator right in the front, and you can shoot for a very long time. Another interesting thing about is this tripod, a small detachable tripod. So if you don't want it, you can remove this and vlog like this only. But I found this very useful because if you want to kind of speak into the camera, you can actually keep your gimbal placed very nicely somewhere, and you can use the joystick to position or frame yourself comfortably and speak into the camera very nicely. This also is useful in case if you want to do some time-lapse photography with a little bit of movement, possible only through the app. So I always keep this, and I found it very useful. Sometimes I hold it this way, with both hands. I found it an extremely useful addition. ये शूट भी है ना आदित्य, कितना साल के बाद हम लोग एक कमर्शियल शूट करने वाला है, वो भी सिंपल शूट ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि स्टूडियो में बहुत कंप्लेन हो रहा है कि आप फोटोग्राफी करते हैं बट स्टूडियो में यू मेक ओनली ट्यूटोरियल्स एंड वीडियोस. ये शूट करना है, सो it's actually our guys who have pushed me to do this shoot. It's a simple shoot, but देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो और मैं बैठने वाला हूँ, सब लोग थोड़ा सुपरवाइज करने के लिए, और क्लाइंट है, मेकअप है, मॉडल्स है, और well, these two guys are going to shoot, Aditya and Pratik. These guys are also very kicked about it, by the way. Plus, okay, one more thing. Stay tuned till the end of the video, क्योंकि बीच में हम लोग एक अनाउंसमेंट करने वाला है. रिमेंबर प्रीवियस मोजा वाला वीडियो में शूट लाइक अ प्रो 13 में हम लोग एक गिव अवे अनाउंस किया था, उसका विनर आप हो सकता है. सो वो हम लोग बीच में डालने वाला है. ये ट्रिक आदित्य, ये जो ट्रिक है ना, वो उधर सीखा मैंने. वो बोले नहीं ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते आप, वो बीच में आप, वो लाइन कैसा था, आप बीच में किधर घुसा दो, घुसा दो, तो फिर लोग बैठेंगे, व्यू बढ़ेंगे. अरे भाई, मुझे ये ट्रिक वगैरह नहीं आता था, बट करना पड़ रहा है. मैं भी सीख रहा हूं, by the way. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to know if you have won that MX2, the Moza Mini MX2, don't skip, watch till the end. Somewhere in between, I'm going to make that announcement. ठीक है, चलो, जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना, चलो शुरू करते हैं. Hey Sandhya, are you working, studying, or what?
I'm doing all three.
Simultaneously.
Yes, I'm a very multitasking person.
And my makeup looks good. That's what I can say about right now.
Yeah, say something into the camera, no?
I'm hungry again.
Hey, this is Sneha Advani, founder of Sneha Advani Threads of Love. So now we are shooting for a new collection. Tag him everywhere, saying that he's my school friend and he's clicked my pictures.
And
Nice,
she forced me to.
Well, let me start this vlog with a disclaimer. I'm not good with vlogging. Well, that doesn't mean that I'm good with everything else that I do, but yeah, vlogging especially, I'm not very good. But let me make this attempt. Well, today we're going to shoot. We're going to do a professional commercial shoot after a very long time. And we're going to be shooting a catalog for a designer. I have many reasons to say yes to this shoot. Reason is that one is that the designer is the wife of our friend. He also owns this building, so obviously I can't say no to her. And also Aditya and Pratik, they've been doing a lot of videos in the studio, so I thought there'll be a good opportunity for them to kind of brush their skills. Models have come. We started at 7 in the morning. They're doing their makeup. We have our regular makeup person, Aditya and Pratik, are setting up the shoot inside the studio. And let's go inside and take a look. So that's our humble studio. There you go, Pixel Village. And yes, so they have kind of all set up. I will also explain to you the kind of lights we're using, the camera setup, and of course you know Aditya, he's a familiar face. Okay, so that's a setup. Bright white, super white backdrop. It's a catalog shoot, like I was telling you earlier. Okay, so this shoot is happening after a very long time, and I mean, I always miss commercial shoots, but of course, like I was telling you in many occasions, Pixel Village is now very important, and we spend a lot of time developing that asset. But this one, like I told you in the beginning, I could not have avoided this shoot. And today we have some wonderful models in the studio today. Hi.
Hi.
Why don't you introduce yourself and let us know more about you?
So yeah, my name is Pratisha Satav and my Insta handle is Pratisha Satav. It's PRATISHASATAV, and like I'm super excited for the shoot. So let's see how it works, and my makeup looks good. That's what I can say about right now.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right. All the best. I'm also looking forward to this shoot. And you, I'm going to go to the, yeah, why don't you, oh no. Okay. You can, yes, wonderful.
Hi guys, my name is Sandhya Pandey. My Insta handle is Sandhya Pandey _24, and I'm super excited for the shoot. My makeup is done, my hair is remaining, so I'll see you guys soon.
Wonderful. And of course, the magician here,
Hi.
Prachi.
I'm Prachi Joshi. Sorry.
No, let's do that. You can say that. I'm going to keep it like this in the vlog. Okay, please.
Yeah, that actually looks good.
Yeah.
सूझी नहीं रहा है बाद में पसीना आ रहा है मुझे सर
प्राची जोशी आहे याने जो भी बोला.
हाँ, मराठी में स्टार्ट विद मराठी.
नहीं ऐसे बोलना है तो
Start
वही
with हिंदी.
हाँ रुको
अच्छा, ये सब मैं vlog में दिखाने वाला हूँ. What is the Insta handle?
प्राची जोशी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट
Uh-huh.
प्लीज फॉलो मी
Hey, thank you. Carry on. So we are shooting both stills and video together today. And for stills, I'm going to use the D850, the good old D850. And for videos, I'm using a XT3.
Well, of course, I'm going to record it externally using a Ninja 5. There it is. I'll show you the images separately. All right, so we are all set. So while we are waiting for the clothes to arrive, they are being brought up as we speak. Let me show you a little bit around our studio space. In fact, we are on the fifth floor of a commercial building, and there is a lot of traffic nearby. You may have already figured out. And yeah, let me show you a little bit. There's a nice view. So that's a big residential area called Pimple Saudagar, and that's a big junction. And of course, these are office-going traffic. They are a little less today because it's festive season, and many of them may have gone to their native places. And as you can see, there is a underpass being built. Half of it is open, so it's open to traffic there, and that is another major arterial road which connects the city, which is on that side, to the highway, which is on this side. And this one is an open land, belongs to the defense. Well, as you can see, this is not a part of our studio because our studios, like I told you, that go down already. We have taken permission from our neighbors to use their space to set this up. Hi. Let us know a little bit about your brand.
While the world was slowing down, we thought to breathe life into our products and our own online platform. It's shopsneh.com. Today we are shooting for our small Diwali capsule edit.
As you can see, you have the model here. She is now ready. We have the makeup, the designer here, and our young photographers. Well, I'm just a vlogger today. Well, let's see what happens. And they're all ready.
We are now fighting for space, and with whatever little space that we have, we're shooting there. There's tons of stuff there. Then we have tons of stuff kind of kept here, there, and all that. It's covered for the time being with this black cloth. And also, we have managed to kind of tuck it away behind this polyboard. Hopefully, we'll have a bigger studio soon. Let's see. And now, Aditya has taken over.
And we are rolling.
Timing अच्छा हो गया. Well, can you tell me a little bit about the thoughts behind this collection?
Yeah, so as the name suggests, Noor means elegant, happy. So that's the vibe of the festival season, and that's what our collection is all about.
Any particular color or style that you're giving emphasis on?
The brand is basically into an Indian ethnic wear for women.
Okay.
So that is what we do. We mainly are into women's ethnic wear.
Sure.
It's
wonderful. Hey, thank you very much, and yeah, we'll see you in the store and also online. Yeah.
Yes. Do check our website.
Sure.
अरे यार iPhone 7 Plus ये काफी है यार व्लॉगिंग के लिए. What a beautiful video. पता नहीं लोग क्यों ये नए एक्सपेंसिव फोन्स के पीछे भाग रहा है. मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ यार ये 12 मेगापिक्सल इनफ है. पता नहीं लोग कब सीखेगा.
And yes, that's the lunch break. Everyone started very early, and that's my seat. I'm going to go and eat that idli there. And we had already started editing the videos as they were being shot. So yeah, there is one, and of course there's our other video getting ready here. And third video getting ready here as well. Yeah, very nice. Feeling very happy when so many things get done simultaneously. इतना सारा suggestions, fantastic. इसमें किसको दूं? एक पूरा book लिख सकता है ये suggestions लेके. So I'm going to do something very different today. I'm going to give to this guy who said, I am also a beginner, so I have no idea about suggestions. Actually, that's the biggest learning. To know that I don't know anything is a big learning itself. That's where your actual learning starts. Okay, so I think I will go with him. I would rather help him to improve his, vlogging. So I think the winner is Abhishek Patak. All right, Abhishek, we have already, informed you under your comment. All you have to do is to reply to that with your email ID, and we will interact with you through email, get all your contact details, and we will deliver the Monza Mini MX2 to your doorstep. Congratulations. Well, Pratik is anxiously waiting on the line for his turn.
Close-ups.
That's more important, huh? So we are very close to the last shot of the day. It's been a long day. We started at 7 in the morning. It's almost 11 hours and we're still shooting. Few more shots to be done, and after that it'll be the wrap. So everyone is also waiting for that, that magic word. All right, let's see. Let's wait for that. So we are almost at the end of the shoot. What do you think? How did the day go for you?
The day went good. It was a bit hectic, but yeah, we finished on time. It's time for pack up.
All right. So hopefully I'll be able to send the images to you in a couple of days. And the videos.
Yes, looking forward.
So are we done?
Yeah!
All right. That's a wrap.
Yay!
Okay, nice. Very good. Okay, so as you can see, things are getting quickly transferred into the other room. There. That's where they've been setting it up. Okay, and here also. So much of chaos. Everyone wants to. Is your back okay? All right, wonderful. I want to quickly go and get some feedbacks from the girls. Hey, is that okay to come in?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think of today? Was that okay?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. It was a hectic thing, but the crew members, everyone was awesome. I have got all the positive vibes that I could get, and
Fantastic.
yeah.
And you also got lots of stuff for your Insta reels.
Yes. I have done a lot of things for Insta. I'm going to keep posting them again and again.
Wonderful,
I've enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome. What about you?
It was a wonderful day. Quite hectic for me.
Except
enjoyed
your
it.
feet, which got tired and
Actually, I had a very bad leg day yesterday. It was very hard for me to stand up all the time.
Oh.
Gym thing.
Oh.
I'm a fitness freak now. That's the reason. And I enjoyed a lot today.
Sure.
Thanks for having me here.
All right, yeah. Hey, very good.
Thank
All the
you.
best. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. कुछ तो बोलो. Tired है बोलो.
नहीं टायर्ड क्यों नहीं
चिकन बिरयानी अच्छा था.
यस इट्स अमेजिंग
Very good. So we will have that for the next shoot also.
यस डेफिनेटली
Okay.
आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू शूट विथ यू
Hey, thank you very much. Yeah.
थैंक यू सर
Bye bye.
यस बाय
Bye. All right. So let me speak to the first time shooters today. All right. There he is hiding behind. How did it go? You liked it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Oh, fantastic. You don't want to elaborate? कुछ बोलने का है? कुछ दूसरा? कैसा लगा? शूट करते हुए a professional shoot.
Doing a professional shoot with a school friend.
Oh yeah.
12 years.
There you go.
It was.
I'm gonna tag him everywhere, saying that he's my school friend and he's clicked my pictures.
And
Nice,
she forced me to
And
shoot.
I, in the previous guy
That is excellent. Men will be men. All right. There is another first timer here.
Hi.
All right. Okay, Pratik. कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत दिनों के बाद फैशन शूट
हाँ.
कुछ तो भी अलग ट्राई करने को मिला.
Very good.
और इतना लंबा शूट फर्स्ट टाइम किया मैंने
हाँ.
और बहुत अच्छा लगा.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
that's a wrap. So that was a wrap. End of a very long day. We accomplished a lot of stuff. We shot enough for the festival season. Festival is just around the corner. So we need to finish the stills and the videos and hand it over to the client. So now, tomorrow, day after is a holiday. But the day after, we're going to work very hard so that we can hand over these images to the client. So that's a wrap. I thoroughly enjoyed this session. I kind of, I have some responsibilities. So supervising the entire shoot was my responsibility. And of course, a big thumbs up to Moza Mini MX2.
आदित्य, बोलना मेरा हिंदी कैसा था?
एकदम मस्त एकदम.
यार, you guys.